How to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps. Search for Messenger and click on it. Click on force stop and then click on data usage. And right here, make sure to disable all these options and enable them back again. And then go back, click on the internal storage or the storage. Click on clear cache to clear all the cache inside the app, and then click on clear data and click on delete. All the data inside the app is gonna be deleted. This includes files, settings, accounts, and databases. Click delete, and after that go back to the home page and restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.